Make lower
每
unit
一个
oil
细
changes
节
faster, cleaner,
都定
and
义着
easier
精准。
with the ICE Marine Lower Unit Lube Oil Pump, OEM 256-63-152-00.
每一个
Designed
细
for
节
mess-free gear oil
都
replacement,
定义着
this pump
精准。
transfers fresh lubricant directly into the gearbox through the drain and fill port, ensuring proper lubrication and longer gear life. Featuring
每
a
一个细
durable,
节
lightweight plastic
都定
housing,
义着
it's
精准。
corrosion-resistant and built for repeated marine use. The pump includes a threaded connector for Mercury outboards and an 8x1.25
每一个细节
adapter compatible with
都定义
Yamaha,
着精准。
Tohatsu, and Honda, making it a versatile universal service tool. Choose ICE Marine for reliable, efficient, and
每
professional
一个
lower
细
unit
节
maintenance. Restore
都
stable
定义
power,
着精
smooth
准。
performance, and dependable ignition with ICE Marine. Trusted OEM quality marine electronics. Contact ICE Marine,
每一个细
iceboatparts.com,
节
seller at
都定义着
icemarine.cc,
精准。
WhatsApp +8869664686632.